Hey guys, Cameron down at 816 Diesel. We're dropping you a, well, it's not a cold start, condition walk around video. We're testing some sirens. We're down here in Kansas City, Missouri in the West Bottoms, about a mile from the shop. You know where we do these videos. Guys, we're giving away, actually that ends today. We're gonna be giving away that Edge CTS to one of our fans today. And if you haven't, like and subscribe. We got a cool video coming at you today. It's an 06 Ford F250 XLT one owner truck, done up on some cool wheels. We're going to be diving into it. It is not cold. I've been driving it around. We were doing pictures and moving it around the shop this morning, so it's not a cold start. So it's a condition video check, I guess you could call it. Let's pan down a little bit here. Ooh, it is warm out today. End of summer is here, but it is still warm. All right, truck fires up warm. Man, you know the high pressure system's good. Why is my camera not focusing here? There we go. 186,294 on the miles. Tranny's warm, motor's warm. It's warm, guys. It's warm out. Heck, the truck was 100 degrees before it even got started this morning, so AC is ice cold and frosty. We've got a very nice head unit in this. It is a Kenwood Double Din with the backup cam and everything. Everything works as it should. There's the camera kicking on. You can see the building behind us. Bluetooth, nav, all the good stuff on there. Truck's got window tint. It's a one owner truck. We got it stock, guys. We have the stock wheels for it, the pie hole Steelies. It's got aux trailer brakes. It still has the sticker over the trailer brakes. I love one owner trucks. These guys didn't even care to ever take that off in 15 years. Four-wheel drive. It's got the basic AC setup. It's not the digital. It does have the auxiliary switches if you got some goodies going in. I don't know what was here. It looks like a GPS mount almost. I'm trying to give you, the sun is brutal today, guys. It's dried glue. I'm sure a little elbow grease might bring it off. If not, you can buy one of these dash caps for $100. But there was no need to. I mean, I'm sure this one will clean up. There's two Velcros here too, so I'm sure he had like a GPS mount or something. Who knows? Other than that, guys, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. It's a jump seat truck, so we've got seating for 6, but it is a super cab, so it's got some nice all-season mats in it. Nothing crazy. You know, this is a nice truck. It's one owner, 186,000 miles. The flip side is it's a work truck. It's an XLT. And he worked in it, you know. We've got an air freshener in here. It's got Ford Tough floor mats in the rear. It's got some stains in the gray cloth. This gray cloth is super hard to keep clean. I'm sure a good shampooing would go a long ways. There is no rips or tears, but you know, we're not detail experts down here at 816D, so we clean them up nice for you, but I'm just showing you guys the condition. But outside of that, you got 2 cup holders there, 2 cup holders here, your little center thing. All in all, it's pretty nice. So let's hop out, check under the hood. It is the butterfly door, so let's get it open there. Back seat lifts up like that if you want to lift it up. And then these windows pop open. We haven't opened them, so I'm not even gonna mess with it. Let's pop the hood. Proper coolant level, it's low. That's where it should be though. A lot of guys like to, we keep our coolant right around there. That is not correct, never go off of that. Right in this area is where it should be. No head pressure at all. I mean, I didn't clean it up under the hood, guys. I usually leave them as I get them for the most part. Show you guys the critical components. That is a negative on the blow-by. None whatsoever. And the truck's warm, so it's a good sign. Batteries are from 17. They're not new, they're not old. EGR is deleted. Other than that, this truck is 100% bone stock. Came with the paintable bumpers, so they're not chrome. They've been repainted at some point too. They're not the greatest, but they're not bad. They actually look really nice, you know. But there's a little fisheye in them and stuff. I don't know if they just need polished out a little more. We put the brand new Harley headlights on, brand new black Ford logo. We did the LED DRL strips in the mirror, which I just always like the turbo. White DRLs. It's got an eyebrow on it. This truck was tinted when we got it, actually. We did upgrade the fender flares. We're sitting on a 20x12 American Truxx, and I can never remember the name of this wheel. If you know, drop it in the comments, because I'm always terrible at remembering these names. But it's a really nice black and machined wheel, negative 44 offset, 35 1250 20 Ant Terrain. That is a 40,000 mile warranty tire. They're brand new. The front end in this truck, new ball joints, drag link, suspension has been gone through, brakes, alignment, all that good stuff. We did add on the fender flares, and the reason being is there's a little bit of rust on the bed. The cab's not rusty on this truck, and it does have the keypad for entry. No rust at all really down there, guys. It is not a rusty truck, but it has some light surface. And that's what's going on with the bed. You know, it had that normal flat surface rust that a lot of these Fords get, but the cross rails are nice. Look at them, they're not crumbling in. They have a little bit of rust. I'll try to get you up in there and show you. It's got a little bit. I'm not saying it's perfect, but it's not garbage. It's not a Minnesota truck by any means. I think this one came out of Kentucky. I'm not positive. So no rust on the rockers or cab corners really, but a little on the bed under the fender flares. And it's not crazy, guys. It's there. We cover it up because it looks nice covered up, but it's not a lot if you don't like those fender flares. Rear bumper sensors painted to match, smoked tail lights, smoked LED third brake, factory 2-inch hitch, trailer lights, 7 and 4 pin. Like I said, it's got a backup camera. There's a couple dings in the tailgate, nothing crazy. Just little dingers, little circles. You can kind of see them as I rotate the light on them. But nothing out of the ordinary for a 15-year-old truck. You got a little dent right there. Again, like I said, guys, this truck was worked, so I tried to set the expectation on the condition. But it's still nice. FX4 package. It's got the 373 limited slit, skid plates, Ranchos. I don't know how they're still holding up, but they are. Those shocks aren't bad. Stock exhaust, never been tampered with. I mean, this truck really was just kept alive. It was never abused. It's kind of an old man truck, if you ask me. I call them old man trucks when they never touch anything on them. Look at that rocker. That's nice. It's a little dirt, that's all. Only rust on this truck is on the bed. And that is it. Under those fender flares. Bottoms of the doors are super nice. Guys, all in all, nice truck. Oh my God, I can feel that AC. It's like 100 degrees out today. But guys, I'm telling you right now, with the car shortage that's happening, anything we list under $20,000 sells quick. So if you're watching this video, hop on my website fast, 816diesel.com. If you are interested in this truck, I won't have it more than 2 weeks. So 816diesel.com, one owner, EGR deleted, 20x12s, 35s, blacked out everything. paint to match bumpers. Sick truck. Head over there now. VIN number, pictures, everything I've gone over today, it's all going to be listed on the website with detailed HD pictures. I just took them over there. If you're interested in the truck, get a hold of me. My name's Cameron. Best way is just to call or text me. My cell phone, 913-735-3748. Guys, we appreciate you. If you can, subscribe, give us a like. Let us know what you want to see. Also, don't forget, check out the channel. We've got our new Fummins King Ranch swap live on the channel, so check that out. It's a pretty cool story. But that's it, guys. I appreciate your time as always. Thanks for joining in, and we'll have more trucks coming up later this week that are cool, so don't miss them.